Dasher.
My name's Donna. Donna. My name's Donna.
Hang on a minute. Who are you and what are you doing, Donna?
I'm Donna. Don't you recognise me?
I don't know what Donna looks like, and Donna doesn't.
Yeah, well, you know, she's got a gig elsewhere and she's sort of asking me to help her out, ain't she?
I don't know about this. You can't be. Well, what are you then, anyway?
Well, I'm a donkey, ain't I?
You can't be a donkey. This is reindeer territory.
She looks at proper antlers as well.
What's wrong with the antlers? Nothing wrong with them. I paid £1 for them.
Pound for them? You've got to grow them. You can't just pay £1 for them.
Why not? They grow it on me, I'll get to like them.
But never mind, that can you.
Why? Yeah, of course I can. Like first class though, as long as I've got a ticket.
Well, I'll tell you what, we'll let you get away with it if you can sing. Can you sing?
Like a songbird.
All right, here we go.
All right, I'm ready then. Come on.
Do I can sing songs.
Just hear those sleigh bells ringing, ting, ting, a leg too. Come on, it's lovely, wonderful sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling on friends, I call it you. Come on, it's lovely, wonderful sleigh ride together with you.
I thought you said you'd sing.
I can do it very well. We're walking out with the balloon and sky. Giddy up, is grand. Just holding your hand. We're running along with the song of the wintry fairyland. Our cheeks are nice and cozy, and cozy are we. Our snuggled up together like a bird, like a feather would be. We'll take the road before us and sing that chorus or two. Come on, it's lovely, wonderful sleigh ride together with you. Yeah, I'm doing all right. What? Whoa, what's going on? Who's looking at me with a whip? I know I'm the little guy, but come on.
I told you you were singing badly. That's what you get for singing badly. The ladies and gentlemen expect a performance. Got to be very good.
Hang on a minute now, that's violence in the workplace. I think I want to call my union.
But you're not in the reindeer union, are you?
All right then, but no more whip, okay?
All right then. Everybody back to sleep. We'll get it right next time, okay?